planning your next camping trip. In this video, we're showing you the 25 must-have camping gadgets that will seriously upgrade your outdoor experience in 2025. From portable power stations and compact cooking gear to smart tents, LED lanterns, and survival tools, these are the most innovative and top-rated camping gadgets available on Amazon right now. Whether you're a casual camper, backpacker, or prepping for the wilderness, these camping essentials are designed to make your adventures safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Without further ado, let's get started. Staying hydrated during long outdoor adventures or intense workouts requires a reliable, high-capacity solution. The Zukro 1-gallon water jug delivers with triple-layer vacuum insulation to keep water cold for up to 2 days. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, it features a collapsible side handle, built-in bumper, and foldable fence hook for portability. Its dual-function, leak-proof lid includes a flip straw and chug spout, ensuring no spills and effortless hydration anytime. Staying cool during outdoor activities or hot indoor days is essential for comfort and relief. The Wilody misting fan features a portable handle with an enlarged grip and a 2-liter water tank, and it produces large ice mist for fast cooling. Enjoy 45/90 degrees vertical manual and 120 degrees auto horizontal oscillation, plus 4 wind speeds and 4 mist modes. The remote control, RGB ambient light, timing function, battery indicator, and dust-proof water filler make it perfect for camping or backyard use. Carrying essentials comfortably and efficiently is key to enjoying any trip or daily outing. The WATERFLY Packable backpack offers a 20-liter large capacity in a lightweight 290-gram design, made from recycled nylon with durable SBS zippers and polyester linings for comfort. It features multiple compartments, including a zipper-removable pocket, making it ideal for travel, hiking, camping, fishing, or daily use. This foldable day pack is compact, airline-friendly, and easy to carry anywhere. Getting quality sleep outdoors can make all the difference on your next adventure. The Sleepingo sleeping mat delivers ultralight, compact comfort with 2 inches of supportive thickness, perfect for any sleep position, including side sleeping. Made from durable, waterproof ripstop nylon, it's built for the outdoors. This portable sleeping pad inflates quickly in just 10 to 13 breaths and easily fits in your pack, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and backpacking. Reliable lighting is essential for safety and convenience during emergencies or outdoor activities. Introducing the Goal Zero Lighthouse Mini Lantern, a compact, rechargeable lantern perfect for camping, emergencies, and indoor use. It offers up to 210 lumens with adjustable brightness settings and can be powered via USB or compatible solar panels. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry, hang, or stand, doubling as a phone charger. This versatile lantern ensures bright, dependable light wherever you go. Preparing delicious meals outdoors requires reliable and durable cookware. Meet the Casa Pie Iron Sandwich Maker, a heavy-duty cast-iron campfire cooking tool designed for toasted pies and more. Its large, grill-lined head preserves food texture and moisture, while the pre-seasoned non-stick surface needs little oil. Featuring 2 removable handles and a compact, easy-to-clean design, it's perfect for camping or backyard use. Comes with a bonus recipe ebook to inspire your next adventure meal. Being prepared for emergencies and outdoor adventures is essential for safety and peace of mind. Introducing the EILIKS Outdoor Gear Kit, a versatile 24-in-1 survival multi-tool kit perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, and emergencies. It includes paracord bracelets, a wire saw, an emergency blanket, flintstone, fire tinder, a flashlight, a whistle, a survival pen, a multi-use spoon fork, carabiners, fishing tools, a knife, and more. Compact and practical, it's an ideal gift for adventurers, campers, teens, and anyone ready for unexpected situations. Staying prepared with reliable tools is crucial for a successful outdoor adventure. Meet the GenX Multifunctional Camp Care, an ultra-portable, all-in-one charging station designed for camping. It combines a rechargeable wireless air pump, wind-resistant butane lighter, and USB power bank. Lightweight and shockproof, it offers lightning-fast recharge, intuitive indicators, and a built-in flashlight. Perfect for any weather, this modular device provides convenience, helping you fire up campfires quickly while charging devices on the go. Reliable lighting is essential for safety and convenience during nighttime activities or emergencies. The NetAdobe Cob Keychain flashlight offers ultra-bright Cob LED illumination in a compact, lightweight design that clips easily to keys, bags, or belts. It features 4 light modes, a carabiner clamp, a bottle opener, and a stable stand with a built-in folding bracket and magnet. Compatible with tripod heads and rechargeable via Type-C, it's ideal for camping, work, pet walking, or daily EDC use. Proper neck support is essential for restful sleep while traveling or outdoors. Meet the PEUJEW pillow, a medium-firm, compressible travel and camping pillow filled with shredded memory foam that perfectly conforms to the neck curve for optimal comfort. Its breathable, soft microfiber cover ensures relaxation in any setting, whether backpacking, hiking, flying, or driving. Compact and portable, it attaches easily to luggage or car seats. Machine washable and fast drying, it's both convenient and a thoughtful gift. Staying clean on the go can be a challenge without access to traditional laundry options. Introducing the Scrubba Wash Bag, a lightweight manual washing machine designed for travel, camping, and everyday convenience. Just add water, cleaning product, and clothes. Then close, deflate, and rub garments against the inner washboard for 30 to 180 seconds. Fast and convenient, it's perfect for t-shirts, socks, delicates, and more. Doubles as a dry bag, laundry hamper, or gear organizer. Pack lighter, travel further. When you're outdoors, a reliable cutting tool is essential for survival, safety, and convenience. The FLISSA pocket knife features a 3.5-inch folding reverse tanto blade with a black stone-washed surface, offering durability, corrosion resistance, and piercing power. Made from premium stainless steel with 60 to 62 HRC hardness, it's ideal for hunting, camping, and emergencies. The lightweight, rugged G10 handle and secure liner lock make it a dependable, everyday carry tool and great gift. Cooking outdoors shouldn't mean compromising on convenience or performance. The Hisencn camping stove set offers a complete outdoor cooking solution with a portable 2-burner folding gas stove, frying pan, griddle, pot, kettle, and a carry bag for portability. It supports propane and butane, features a braided steel gas line and stable tension spring ignition. Lightweight at 8.9 pounds with heat-resistant handles, stable non-slip footpads, and neatly organized compartments. It's built for any adventure. Relaxing outdoors demands a seat that's as functional as it is comfortable. Meet the Nice Sea Beach Chair, a compact, ultra-light, high-back chair with orthopedic support and breathable polyester mesh for hot climates. Designed for camping, travel, or festivals, it includes a zipped cooler bag, cup holder, and carry case. With a 10-second setup, heavy-duty steel frame, 800D Oxford fabric, and durable weight sustainability, it's your ideal companion for beachside comfort. Inflating gear or boosting a fire while camping shouldn't be a hassle. Introducing the OneTigris air pump, an ultra-compact rechargeable pump with a 2,400 mAh battery, offering powerful 14.5 kilopascals air pressure for fast inflation of air mattresses, swim rings, pool toys, and sleeping pads. It includes multiple nozzles for wide compatibility and doubles as a versatile camping light. This portable pump even enhances campfire airflow, making outdoor adventures warmer and more efficient. Outdoor sports demand eye protection that adapts quickly to changing light. The KAPVOE Photochromic glasses feature a one-shape lens with a 40-second quick transition, blocking harmful UVA and UVB rays while offering excellent protection against sand, wind, and strong sunlight. These impact-resistant, durable cycling glasses include a built-in myopia frame, soft rubber nose pads, and flexible temples for comfort. Ideal for cycling, skiing, hiking, and more, they combine safety with versatile sport performance. Carrying essentials comfortably is crucial for any hiking or travel adventure. Introducing the MOUNTAINTOP Lightweight Backpack, a 35-liter day pack made of durable polyester with YKK zippers and buckles, built for long-lasting outdoor use. It features a water bladder compartment, breathable sponge back panel, and padded shoulder straps to reduce pressure. Multiple compression straps secure trekking poles, sleeping bags, or tents, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and short trips for both men and women. Drying clothes on the go is essential for travelers, campers, and adventurers. Meet the HISAFA Lightweight Clothesline, a compact travel clothesline designed for maximum convenience. Weighing just 1 ounce and packing down to half a palm size, it's perfect for backpacking, hotel stays, van life, and international travel. Made of durable polyester, it withstands any weather and holds more garments, making it a space-saving, versatile solution for drying clothes anywhere. Effortless and even grilling is a must for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The SHIZZO Rolling Grill Basket features a new opening design with extra sturdy, food-grade stainless steel and a durable 0.8mm thick mesh. Its extra-large size holds more food securely, while the quick release removable handle and large comfortable grip make turning easy. Even heating through its neat mesh ensures perfect barbecue results, making it an ideal accessory for camping, barbecues, and grilling fish, vegetables, and more. Comfortable and stable seating is essential for any outdoor adventure. Introducing the Gonex camping chair, an ultralight, compact, and foldable chair designed for camping, hiking, the beach, and picnics. Supporting up to 330 pounds, its X-shaped frame evenly distributes weight for stability on varied terrains. It folds into a slim package in seconds with a quick 20-second assembly. Lightweight and versatile, it's perfect for camping, fishing, barbecues, gardening, and more outdoor activities. Reliable, powerful heat is crucial for outdoor cooking and emergencies. The Flame King Bayou cooker stove features 244 orifices for maximum heat distribution and a heavy-duty 200K BTU output. Its sturdy frame works with standard propane tanks and includes an adjustable flame regulator for precise control. Ideal for turkey frying, home brewing, maple syrup prep, and Cajun cooking. It's portable, easy to set up, and perfect for camping or emergency backup. Durable and ruggedly designed. Protecting your face and neck from dust and sun is essential for outdoor activities. Meet the VCZUIUC headwear bandana, a multifunctional accessory that can be worn as a headband, scarf, bandana, or neck gaiter. Made of 100% premium microfiber, it offers high UV and sun protection while being soft and breathable. Suitable for riding, hunting, hiking, yoga, and more, it fits most head sizes and is machine washable for easy care. Dead car batteries can leave you stranded at the worst moments, especially in emergencies or remote areas. Introducing the ASPERX Jump Starter, a powerful and portable 12-volt solution for jump-starting gas vehicles with ease. It features smart jumper cables, a BMS with multiple protections including reverse polarity and spark prevention, and a built-in LED light with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes. With Type-C and USB quick charge ports, it also powers your devices, all in a compact carry case. Changing light conditions can strain your eyes and affect visibility during outdoor sports. The ROCKBROS Photochromic sunglasses offer UV 400 protection and lenses that darken automatically in UV rays, shielding your eyes while enhancing vision. Designed with a comfortable rubber frame, adjustable soft nose bridge, and included myopia frame, they ensure a secure fit. The tough frame and break wind design boost durability and performance, making them ideal for cycling, running, golfing, fishing, and other outdoor activities. Dead car batteries can leave you stranded when you least expect it. The WOLFBOX Jump Starter delivers 2000 amps peak power with a 12,000 mAh battery, capable of jump-starting most 12-volt vehicles, including sedans, pickups, motorcycles, and lawnmowers. Its HD LCD shows real-time status, while the 30-watt USB-C quick charge and QC 3.0 USB-A port power up your devices fast. Weighing just 1 pound, it includes a canvas bag and a 300-lumen LED flashlight with SOS mode.